Hi, I'm meteorologist Tony Petrarca in the Pinpoint 12 Forecast Center. You clicked on the Weather Now link on this late Friday evening, about 9:45. Just tracking some light rain. Nothing too over the top or stormy, though things picking up in terms of the intensity of the rain on Saturday at times, and even the risk, albeit slight, of some thunderstorms Saturday evening, early Saturday night. In fact, speaking of thunderstorms, there's a massive outbreak of severe weather across the Mississippi River Valley. You see these areas that are shaded in red and pink right in here. This is ongoing severe weather. So what this graphic represents is the colors represent the potential, the risk potential. It's all the way up in here, moderate to high, right in here. Now, this system headed our way for Saturday, though the risk of severe thunderstorms does diminish quite a bit. But with that said, notice, now this is Saturday evening around between roughly 6 and 9 o'clock in the evening. Albeit slight, the risk is there. This area in yellow, which is essentially north and west of Providence, right in here, a slight risk that some thunderstorms could be severe. To the south of that, most of our area in the marginal category. So it goes marginal, slight, enhanced, moderate, and high. So we're kind of like down in here. But this is something we're going to have to watch for early on Saturday evening. I think thunderstorms are likely. The tough question is to figure out whether or not they're strong or severe. So stay tuned. In the meantime, we have showers coming through right now, but they'll be ending shortly. We'll get into a little bit of a lull overnight, and then round two on the way for Saturday. Here's the wider view, and you can see these segments, these very narrow lines, squall lines of intense storms right in here. I can take a look at our lightning tracker, and you can see all the lightning associated with these storms. So when we take this into the future, let's jump ahead to Saturday morning, and you can clearly see it's widespread rain. This is Saturday morning up until about early afternoon. Here we are. By actually mid to late afternoon, this is around 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock. It'll be a brief lull. Could we see a little brightening maybe? So a brief lull, mid to late day on Saturday. Then watch down in here. Some thunderstorms are going to try to redevelop. It doesn't look like much. This is around 8, 9 o'clock. These little blips of red indicating perhaps a strong or even borderline severe thunderstorm coming through, especially away from the coastline. So that's something that we'll watch. Later Saturday night, it's gone, and here we are Sunday with sunshine returning, breezy, dry, and cooler for Sunday morning and into Sunday afternoon. So a widespread rain likely on Saturday, windy, temperatures going up close to 60, though you really have to be away from the coastline in order to get 60 degrees. I think the coastline should be cooler tomorrow because the ocean's cool this time of year. Any showers should linger up until about 1 o'clock in the afternoon, and then notice mid to late day it dries out, a brief lull. Could even be some partial, albeit brief, sun through the cloud cover by around 5, 6 o'clock in the evening. Then we draw our attention to Saturday evening, Saturday night. And right between roughly 6 and about 9 o'clock in the evening, right in here, an isolated thunderstorm. And again, some could be strong. By 11 o'clock, things are drying out. And then by Sunday morning, Sunday afternoon, sunshine returns. So wrapping it up, widespread rain Saturday morning, windy. Rain spills over into early Saturday afternoon. Mid to late Saturday afternoon, it dries out. And then looking here at Saturday evening, a brief round of showers and thunderstorms returning before sunshine comes back on Sunday. So pretty busy weather pattern. You're going to want to check in with TJ early in the morning on Saturday and Steve Matrigrano Saturday evening to see how this all plays out.